Groupthink is such a cool activity. It's so much fun. You can do it in 10 minutes. You can make it last a half an hour. So in general, this is what you have. You have 2 minutes where students are in small groups working on whatever it is you're working on. And then they're going to be working together. They're going to be gathering notes or whatever it is. Then you're going to have 2 minutes after that where it's going to be the whole group. So the whole group is going to be discussing it. Generally, this is going to be led by you. Like, what did you see? What do you think? And therefore, the kids are going to transfer knowledge and they're still writing down notes. Then you'll have 1 minute where they return to their small groups and they try to figure out whatever it is. And then 4 minutes at the end where they're individual and they're going to be working together. So in other words, it's going to be 5 minutes of small group, whole group, and then 4 minutes. So again, that's 9 minutes with some passing time in between. So we're talking about 10 minutes here. So one example is called passporting, identifying the countries. So in this, students are given a blank map. Each individual student is a blank map of, let's say, Europe. And without writing on it, without writing anything, they can use their notes. They can even use the internet if they want, and definitely they're working together in groups of 2 or 3. And they're just trying to identify, so they're just going, oh, that's England, that's Germany, that's Liechtenstein, that's whatever, and they're all working together for about 2 minutes. And then for 2 minutes, you display the same blank map up on the wall. So the kids now, all of them as a whole group for 2 minutes, whole group, now they're identifying. Again, they can use their notes, but nobody's writing anything. So now they're like, oh, and kids can go up to the board or the map and they can point and all that stuff. And then they go back for 1 minute to their small groups because now they've just heard from the larger group. And like, oh, that's right, that was France and that was Spain, that was Portugal, and so on. And they're identifying, again, no writing yet. They're just identifying. And then the last one, so you see the group think, then the last portion of it is 4 minutes of individual work. Now the kids with pencils or pens are writing in the blank map that they have before them. So really cool activity. You can get it done in 10 minutes or you can make it last longer if it's a more complex type of topic.